Okay, so I just saw the NVIDIA GTC announcement, and my brain actually hurt.
Yeah, the DGX Station for Windows is massive. It's basically a supercomputer on your desk.
Wait, a supercomputer? Like rack-sized? No, you said desk-side.
Exactly. It's the first desk-side AI supercomputer built specifically for the Windows ecosystem.
That's wild. Usually, heavy AI stuff means Linux and data centers.
Right. Historically, training and massive inference have been Linux-only territory.
But now they're bringing the GB300 Grace Blackwell Ultra to Windows?
Yes, it bridges that gap. You get data center class power right in your office.
What kind of power are we talking about here? Is it just faster?
Way faster. It supports models up to 1 trillion parameters running locally.
1 trillion? That's frontier-level stuff. And it runs on Windows?
Fully. It uses NVIDIA GB300 connected via NVLink-C2C for insane communication speeds.
NVLink-C2C, that's usually for server racks. How does that fit on a desk?
It's a desktop superchip. They miniaturized the architecture. It's incredibly dense.
Okay, so it's small but strong. What about memory? That's always the bottleneck.
Up to 748 gigabytes of coherent memory. That allows the CPU and GPU to share data instantly.
Right? That's almost a terabyte of shared RAM. That's huge for AI agents.
Exactly. And it delivers 20 petaflops of FP4 performance. That's serious compute.
So you can run massive models without sending data to the cloud.
Yes, locally. And with the RTX Pro 6000 Blackwell GPU, you get visualization too.
This sounds like it's for the power users. Designers, engineers, data scientists.
Precisely. They can build agents that connect directly to their Windows workflows.
Like automating their 3D design or engineering tools in real time?
Yes, always-on agents that reason in real time and execute tasks simultaneously.
Hundreds of agents at once? That changes how we think about multitasking.
It's not just multitasking. It's agentic inference. The AI acts on your behalf.
But security? Enterprises are terrified of local AI. What if it leaks data?
Good point. That's why Microsoft partnered on this. It uses Windows security primitives.
So it's not a Wild West, it's managed. Like via group policy or Intune?
Yes. Enterprise-grade deployment, updates, and compliance are built in from day one.
And what about Linux workloads? Can't devs just use WSL?
WSL is supported. But this gives Linux the same manageability as native Windows apps.
That's clever. It treats Linux workloads like first-class citizens on Windows.
Exactly. It extends the Windows security and compliance infrastructure to AI agents.
And the networking? You mentioned something about speed.
The ConnectX-8 SuperNIC. It supports up to 800 gigabytes outs for hyperscale workloads.
800 gigabits? That's basically instant data transfer for clusters of these units.
Yes. You can link multiple DGX stations for even larger workloads seamlessly.
So it scales from one desk to a room, to a data center?
In theory, yes. It's designed to be part of a broader NVIDIA infrastructure.
Who is this for? Is it going to be expensive?
It's Q4 this year. It's aimed at enterprises, not home users. Price is TBD.
Fair, but the implications are clear. AI is moving from the cloud to the edge.
Specifically, to the endpoint. Your desk becomes the AI factory floor.
Chris Marriott said it delivers supercomputing class AI directly into Windows.
And Pavan Davaluri from Microsoft called it scaling Windows to workstation class power.
So it's really a Microsoft-NVIDIA collaboration, not just NVIDIA pushing hardware.
Right. It unlocks AI performance on the platform enterprises already trust.
Trust is the key word here. Security, compliance, manageability.
Exactly. Without those, no Fortune 500 would touch local AI agents.
This feels like the end of the AI only runs on Linux era.
I think so. Windows is finally catching up to the heavy lifting.
And for developers, it means one less reason to dual boot.
Exactly. Build, run, and deploy agents all within your trusted Windows environment.
So when can we get our hands on one? Q4?
Q4 this year. Keep an eye out for the enterprise availability details.
This is going to change how we design, engineer, and create.
It's a new class of AI performance. And it's happening now.
All right, that's all we got this week. If this blew your mind, come back next time.
We'll probably break it again. Subscribe to Locally Hosted for more deep dives.
Original source is linked in the description. Stay curious.
See you next time on Locally Hosted.